So Scratch add-ons is an awesome tool to make your Scratch editor better. It has awesome features that may increase your productivity while making Scratch stuff and also help you a lot. You can get it from the website scratchaddons.com, or you can just go to the Chrome Web Store to get it from there. I'll put these links in the description for you to check them out. To access this tool, you can just click on this puzzle piece icon and click on Scratch add-ons. Here you first see the messages area where you can see all your Scratch notifications and easily reply to them from here. Then it has a cloud section where you can just see how many people are playing any cloud game and also their usernames. Then we have the main settings icon where you can turn features on and off. So instead of changing settings here, click on more settings to get a bigger screen just like this. So there are a lot of features in this tool which cannot be shown and explained in the single video. So I've made a list of including the top 10 features of this tool and I'll show you now. So let's get started. So in the number 1 we have dark mode for editor and website both. By turning this on, you get dark mode not only for the Scratch online editor but also the whole Scratch website. On the number 2 we have 60 FPS mode, or you can say unlimited FPS mode. By turning this on, you can just run your projects at any frame rate you want between 0 and infinity. On the number 3 we have profile search. By turning this on, you can just search for a user rather than a project or studio. It has a separate section in the search results. On the number 4 we have featured project banner. After turning this on, you will see a featured project of the users as their banners like you see on YouTube, and also you can play the featured projects without any problems. On the number 5 we have new look for old pages. After turning this on, you will see that pages that look old and have not been updated by Scratch since the release of Scratch 3 are converted to a new Scratch 3 look. All these pages which look old will now look new and similar to each other. On the number 6 we have developer tools. After turning this on, you will see more options like cut, copy, paste block and more. On the number 7 we have onion skinning. This is a perfect tool for people who want to make animations in Scratch, or called animators. By turning this on, you get a light preview of the previous costume in the selected costume, which can be used for making detailed animations. You can turn it on and off in the Scratch costume editor. On the number 8 we have custom block colors. This add-on can be used for changing block colors in the Scratch online editor. You can just set the colors you want for a particular category and you will get it. On the number 9 we have left-sided stage. After turning this on, you will see that your stage is in the left side of the screen, just like Scratch 2. On the number 10 we have feature unshared projects. After turning this on, you can feature unshared projects on your Scratch profiles. You don't need to share them. So these were the top 10 add-ons we can use with this tool. Other than these, we have many more options on which I'll make videos in the future. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.